We are Indian Oil here. We are present at the HIPLEX 2023 at Hyderabad. Indian Oil is one of the top two players in the petrochemicals industry in the country. And through our presence here at the HIPLEX exposition, we are portraying Indian Oil's work and presence in the petrochemicals industry in the country. This is a fully digital stall. We have a lot of digital presence here. A lot of LEDs and a lot of digital content is here, and through which we are trying to also generate awareness about our sustainability initiatives in plastics recycling. Indian Oil is a big supporter of plastics neutrality and supports the circular economy. So we, through our unbottled and Cycloplast initiatives, we are showing here jackets made of recycled material. We are showing here articles made of recycled plastic, and we are getting a lot of good footfall here. A lot of peer visitors are coming here to inquire about the Cycloplast and unbottled initiatives of Indian Oil. Through the unbottled initiative, we are actually recycling 100 million PET bottles every year to make uniforms for our fuel pump attendants as well as the delivery boys for LPG cylinders. So if you can just, I will request you can just take a few views of the stall, and you will see a lot of dynamic content is here, and we invite you to visit our stall during this show. Thank you.